going on, y'all? What's going on? Hey, this your boy Sean the Barber coming at you. Today is Monday, and I am glad it's Monday. Kind of strange to say, right? Um, I've been sick for the last couple of days. I'm actually starting to get better. Um, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that's been following, liking, sharing my videos. You're actually helping my channel grow. And look, I said this year is going to be our year. And if you don't claim it, it won't happen. So I can honestly say that my subscribers are going up, the likes are going up, and we're about to blow up. So we're going to claim it, and we're going to keep this thing going. Hey, if you ain't already, like, comment, share, subscribe, send this to everybody you know, follow your boy. Happy Monday. Let's go. Keeping this entrance very short, because I know you've been waiting to see what's in that box that I got. So look, I am excited to open the box up. Let's go. Man, what's up? What's up? I don't know what I got here. If you don't know, this is the Barber Plug, straight out of Dallas, Texas. I usually order my stuff from VIP Barber, but I seen these guys. They're actually in my hometown. If you didn't know, I got family in Dallas, Texas. I'm excited to see what's in the box. I'm excited. Hopefully it's everything I ordered, but we will see. As you see, still got the seals on it. Wait for the day. So this video is actually going to be 2 parts, because I did purchase, this is actually supposed to be my Christmas gift, but I did purchase a clipper and a trimmer. Okay. I'll clean up now. I'll clean up later. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I got the Barber Plug little hair strips here. And of course I got my receipt. Then I also have a 5-in-1 clipper spray. And what we have all been waiting for. Maybe not all of us, but you know, I definitely been waiting for it. Try not to get too excited. Don't want to mess up the name. Low Pro FX. That's the clipper. Get rid of that box. And these are the trimmers. Now we'll be doing a second video with the trimmers, but let's dive into the clippers. It's said to have, as always with Babyliss, they always have amazing packaging, especially when it's always in a box. Love it when it comes in a box. It actually has the N1 brushless motor. It has a universal snap-in battery. So if you don't know what the universal snap-in battery is, it's actually going to be this battery here. that you can put in your trimmer or your clipper. It has a universal charging stand, has a metal shield cover, has 5 taper arm, so that's the lever. It has the quick button release. That quick button release. Oh no. Let's jump into it. Let's see what's inside this box. If you have not opened a clipper or a trimmer box ever, you basically have your basics: the clipper, the battery, the charger, you have the charging cord, you would have the guards, you will also have your oils that come with it in the box. But hey, let's just jump in it and see what's in the box, because I'm excited. And I definitely love the way it is definitely secure in this box. So if it's shipped, you don't have to worry about it being broken or anything when you receive this amazing tool here. They do have some weight to it, and you've seen the type of clippers that I've used, the type of styles that I've had. This is actually going to be a very brand new style for me, but I'm definitely excited. As you can see, I got another self haircut I got to do. My hair grows back so quick, so I can definitely keep making self haircuts videos for days. And I also want to try this battery out. Like, I'm legitly telling you, everything's in here is in snug. So this right here is a little charging stand, and you see it has the USB connect to it. And right up top, that's where you go ahead and plug the battery in. Trying to be extra careful with it, because you know, when you get something new, you don't want it to break, crack, or anything. And just taking it out of the box, has a little button on the end here. So you push that button and it lights right on up. Put it right behind me. See how this thing works. Then of course it has the arrows, and I believe you just match the arrows, because you got an arrow at the bottom, arrow here. Just match some arrows, put them in, and it clicks right on in. You see that battery? And it has the on switch on the side. Sounds nice, quiet, and you can tell that even though it's not fully charged, that it has a lot of power. And the lever's not too stiff. You can definitely maneuver through this. So yeah, I'm used to my switches being on the top, but this is going to be a different feel. It's not really a bad feel that the on button is at the bottom. It's actually pretty nice. You see, this is the lever that I was talking about, the release lever, and it just slides right on out. Whew, man, look, I'm definitely got to make some room on my station for these. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But let's see what else is in this box. Because honestly, I can't wait to get my hands on it. So like I said before, you got the oils with the adjuster inside and a screwdriver. You have the charger. You have the charger cord. And this is actually a little device for the moving blade, I believe. Just in case your moving blade breaks, which I happen to have that before. You can actually, look like you can switch it up. And you have your Babyliss guards in here. I'm into more of the metal clips, like these. I don't really like the plastic ones, so I'm gonna just stick to my metal Babyliss clips. And man, yeah, it's a late Christmas for me, but you know, better late than never. You feel me? Yes, I'm definitely excited. I will definitely drop a review on these clippers here because, like I said, I have to do me a nice little cleanup because it is time. But with that, on the back of the box, it's basically the same instructions, which is on the side. You also have it in the back with a more descriptive look view. But yeah, if you have not picked up these clipper or the trimmers, I would definitely recommend going out and getting these. It says, which I didn't see on the side, it's talking about the dual ball bearing for more the speed is 6,800 RPM to 13,600 SPM. It has a longer life, and it has the new universal snap-in lithium battery pack. So I believe that is this battery pack right here. It includes dual voltage charging base and battery. So that's this charging base right here. Yeah, man. Basically, I would think if both charging bases are the same, you can just go ahead and set this one up and just work off of one. It includes 8 combo attachments, and I would take that would be the guards. Yeah, man, I'm definitely excited. But yes, sir, that will be the unboxing of the Low Pro FX high performance, low profile clipper. And we are doing one on the trimmer also. So stay tuned till next week because we'll be dropping that one next week. Man, but I also do want to give a big thank you to everybody that's been following me on my journey, that's been encouraging me to put out more videos, to also just keep going, not being discouraged, just keep working towards my goal. And one day I will reach that goal, but I am setting a new goal try to get more, let's say, set a goal to get 100 more likes or 100 more followers with the current followers that I have. So if you out there, you see this video, don't scroll by, tap in. Let's get this going. Let's get this channel to reach 100, 200. Let's get this channel popping, rolling. This is your boy, Sean the Barber, and this is my unboxing of the Low Pro FX Clippers. Thank you. I'm out.